Have you ever wondered about the magic of the moon? How its glow can transform not just the night sky but also your energy and personal growth? In today's video, we will dive into a practice that taps into this very magic, moon water. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create it, how to use it for spiritual purposes, and why this ancient practice can help you attract positive energy into your life. Trust me, you don't want to miss the powerful secrets of the moon that can change your path. Moon water is an ancient practice that connects us to the moon's phases and energy. Creating moon water is simple but incredibly profound. To start, you'll need a clear glass jar and some fresh water. Place the jar under the moonlight, preferably during a full moon, when the lunar energy is at its peak. You can leave it outside or by a windowsill where the moonlight can directly reach it. While the water absorbs the moon's energy, set your intentions. What are you hoping to manifest? Whether it's clarity, peace, or personal growth, allow that energy to infuse into the water. Leave it overnight, and by the morning, you'll have your very own moon water, charged with energy and ready to use. You may ask, how can I use this moon water? The possibilities are endless. You can drink it to refresh your spirit, use it to cleanse your space, or add a few drops to your bath for a relaxing and energizing experience. Some people even use moon water to water their plants, believing it will encourage growth and vitality in everything it touches. Another option is to sprinkle a little on objects that hold personal meaning, such as crystals, jewelry, or even your wallet to attract abundance. The moon water is versatile and can be customized to fit your spiritual needs. Each time you use it, remember your intentions and trust that the moon's energy is working to bring your desires into reality. What makes this practice so special is that it's personal. Your connection to the moon is unique, and so is the energy you infuse into your moon water. Many people use this time to reflect on their journey, letting go of what no longer serves them and embracing the new opportunities that lie ahead. The moon reminds us of the cycles of life, that even in darkness, we can find light and grow stronger. Whether you are seeking balance, healing, or personal growth, the moon water is a tool that brings a little magic into your everyday life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the magic of moon water. If this video inspired you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more spiritual tips and techniques. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried creating moon water? What were your experiences? Let's grow our community by sharing our stories. Together we can harness the power of the moon to uplift our lives.